Welcome to the Unhurried Housewife channel. Work on our Barndominium is progressing rapidly. Yesterday, our trusses were installed. To see a full time-lapse video of their installation, click on the link in the description. Day 13, a lot was going on. The builders are finishing the roof and beginning to frame out the lean-to. Here's what it looks like at the end of the day. The excavators are grading in the house area in preparation for plumbing. Here's what it looks like at the end of the day. The concrete workers are also installing drains in the shop area. Here's the first drain, and here's the second drain. After supper, we walk down to the house and begin cleaning up. The girls and I pick up lumber scraps, trash, and discarded nails. While the girls and I are cleaning up, my husband works on installing hurricane hangers. Our work continues until after sunset, and we walk back to our camper in the dark. Day 14, the lean-to is framed and framing for the porch began today. Here's a close-up view of the porch. The plumber also began laying pipe today. Our cleanup went quickly tonight with the whole family working together.
We're all cleaned up.
Day 15. The porch framing is complete and they began installing tin on the roof. Here's an interior view of the roof. Day 16. Roofing continues. That's a wrap for this week. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow along on the rest of our construction journey. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.